Ignite Visibility Promotion Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get digital marketing agencies wrong. They assume all agencies deliver the same results. The surprising truth about Ignite Visibility is that it combines SEO, paid media, and conversion optimization strategies with a data-driven approach, and you won't believe the impact it can have on online growth. Here's how it works. Ignite Visibility analyzes your website, competitors, and industry trends to create customized marketing campaigns. They manage SEO, PPC, social media advertising, and content marketing for measurable results. For example, an e-commerce brand could partner with Ignite Visibility to improve organic search rankings, run targeted ad campaigns, and track ROI in real-time dashboards. Most people get this wrong. They assume agencies only offer general advice, but Ignite Visibility emphasizes tailored strategies backed by analytics. Additional features include competitor analysis, website audits, content strategy, and performance tracking. Users praise their transparency, expertise, and proactive communication. However, there are considerations. Services come at a premium, and results in SEO take time to materialize. Most people assume all agencies deliver instant outcomes, but effective marketing requires planning, execution, and patience. In conclusion, Ignite Visibility is ideal for businesses seeking expert guidance in digital marketing, measurable growth, and data-driven strategies tailored to their unique goals. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing agencies and promotion services.